ReefDVMs coming at you with the goat barn door project. We've done some updates here, and one of them that we like to do for our barn is try to protect the doors from the goats. So I bought some sheets of plastic from Menards. They're about 1/8 of an inch thick. They're really strong plastic. They're made for like wash stalls and so forth. I cut out a notch for the handle, and then I tapped these really tiny holes in my steel door. And this has worked out good. I've done this on other barns. It's really helped save the structure and integrity of the door from the animals. I put a screw about every 12 inches on the door, all the way along all the edges, and then one row right up the middle. And it holds this really dense plastic, right to the door. I kind of get a stainless steel, kind of wider headed screw, and it just pulls in tight into that really tiny hole and sucks this plastic in. It really does work great. It just defends the door against everything the goats throw at it, and it really helps. I do this inside and out, and I'm going to do this obviously on this goat kidding barn that we're on project on right now, and it's gonna help a lot. Yeah, the door handle will still get dinged up, and the edges of the door still might get dinged up, but it'll work fairly well. I'd highly recommend doing this. I mean, a sheet of this plastic, I think at my local Menards was about $35-40, and a sheet does 2 doors if you cut it in half and cut your handles in the right spot. Also wanted to show you that we got the straw in the kidding stalls, because kidding season is right around the corner for us. Yep, the straw this year came in a little bit green. Yeah, your eyes aren't deceiving you. I wish it was a little bit more yellow, but you know what? I can't be choosy with the storms and the things we've dealt with here. So we've got all the stalls now bedded. The water is all up. I added some shelves, which was good, so we can now start storing some things in here. We've also added a couple more things back into this barn. We got ourselves a scale back in the barn, moved it from up top down to here. You've seen my review, I think, of that scale, but it's a great scale. You should have a scale. Got our hoof trimming station down here and a few other things. Also got some heated barrels down here, and just an empty barrel too to play with. I made sure all the waters are up and running. Overall, the area is all set. Got the hay ring in here for the mamas, and we're ready to start kidding soon. So I appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy the update here. Please like and subscribe and support our channel, folks. We'll keep putting out great videos of the homestead. Thanks.